Need not just coffee, but super coffee at home? Look, this is the Ninja DualBrew Pro, your at-home barista that handles both pods and grounds. Today it's a pod. Pop it in, choose your strength, hotter or stronger, hit start. It's already brewing fast, no fuss. Want iced coffee? Easy. Prefer it hotter and stronger? There are modes for that too. A separate hot water spout gives instant hot water. Perfect for tea or oatmeal. Morning saved even without espresso. Built-in frother means your latte turns out creamy. Cafe style. Big reservoir. Intuitive controls. Easy to clean. Pods in, press done. If you love speed, flavor, and minimal hassle, add this to your list. Let's drink. Need not just coffee, but super coffee at home? Look, this is the Ninja DualBrew Pro, your at-home barista.